Luke Leatherman with Feeling Parts. We're here to showcase our up-and-coming line of OE Plus oil pumps for the Milwaukee 8 engines, covering the Gen 1s and the Gen 2s, which means both oil-cooled and water-cooled. So the OE Plus option now brings a price-sensitive or price-conscious part that allows you to reuse the factory cam plate and or use some of the other aftermarket and or options of cam plates available, which also includes our OE Plus version of the cam plate, which can also be used with the stock oil pump. And what this does is this adds to our existing product line of oiling systems for the Milwaukee 8, where we're offering our OE Plus, HP Plus, and Race Series. And basically that equals to good, better, and best. We've taken some of the features out, but you still get the precision billet housings and the finely tuned and blueprinted gears matched up to the housings. We have a smaller gear set as far as diameter wise on the OE Plus line, so that they match up with the kidneys on the factory cam plates. And so kind of let me show you here. This would be the oil cooled version of the gear set, and then this is the pressure set on the water cooled models, and you can see the size difference there. Obviously the oil cooled version with the oil cooler, we got to generate a little bit more oil volume on the pressure side than what the water cooled version takes. But if you look at kind of the layout here with the gears, they match up to the kidney shape on the factory cast cam plate. And if you were to take these gear sets over and look at the high volume system like our HP Plus or Race Series versions, the gears are too small and they don't cover the kidneys. So that's like the benefit of the premium HP Plus and Race Series, is you're going to get a lot more volume through the oiling systems. We've opened up the cavities in it so that we're able to take out more engine temperature, drop the oil temperature, and send some more oil to the various areas of the engine. Okay, we just went through the pressure side of the OE Plus oil pumps. Now I'd like to touch base on the return, the scavenge side over here. And to be honest, the Milwaukee 8s have struggled with the scavenge side kind of since day one. And to be honest, it even dates back to the twin cam and the previous Harley models. And so when it comes to the fueling oiling systems, whether we're looking at a twin cam engine or Milwaukee 8, we put a lot of focus in making sure that the return side, the scavenge side, is going to work properly. The less oil that you have in the sump, the better the oiling system's working, and generally speaking, the better the condition of the engine is. We do believe that even the OE Plus line of oil pumps produces proper scavenging and oil return for these engines. We include a nice, what we call the subseal O-ring. The subseal is pressed into the oil pump. And then another feature that we have, kind of going back to the pressure side, is the pressure relief valves that we put in the oil pump. Each oil pump is hand tested, and that valve is seated and set 30 psi and below. We want the valve fully seated and sealed, and then we set the pop-off pressure in the range of 55 to 62 psi, somewhere in that range. Once these engines get hot, you start seeing normal oil temperatures of 225, 235 degrees, sitting there at your 900 to 1000 RPM idle. You want to make sure that valve is seated and sealed, and then the system's able to take advantage of all the pressure and oil volume that the system will put out. If there's any leakage at the pressure relief valves in the oil pumps, that's automatically going to mean lower oil pressure, and where it's really going to show is that hot idle. Another feature that we have of the OE Plus oil pumps to match the HP Plus and Race Series, along with the other makes out there, is we do have the option where we have the machined groove in the back of the oil pump for the O-ring seal. We do not provide the O-ring seal, but that's something that you can take off of your factory pump, and or there's some options out there to where you can buy a replacement. But that feature is available. I believe we have a good quality product here, fitting at the price point for a stock replacement and or mild performance, available through your Drag Specialties dealer.